Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily add text on Inshot application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly download Inshot application on your device. Once you have downloaded, open it, click on any one of it, either video or photo. Choose it from your gallery and after that you will be heading toward the editing page. Click on text, click on add text and write your text which you want to include in your photo or video. So here I've written hello. I'll change the color of it to black and if you want to add glow to it, you can simply choose the color of that too. Now, using the flaps at the end of the text, you can easily see you can expand it throughout the text or if you don't want it at the beginning, you can also crop it. So that's it. That is how easily you can add text on Inshot. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.